Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Confirm your TV model and firmware, pick the network connection, and have the remote or keyboard ready. Once done, identify 2 DNS addresses you'll use and write them down so you can enter them quickly. Make sure the network allows manual DNS changes. If not, you'll switch to configuring the router instead. Don't delay. Move to the network settings now so you can change DNS on the active connection without interruptions. Now you'll change DNS on the TV itself. Navigate to Settings, the Network, and access Advanced or IP settings. Once there, change DNS from automatic to manual and type the primary address first, then the secondary to ensure fallback. After entering both addresses, save the configuration and restart the TV or simply disconnect and reconnect the network. This forces the device to request the new DNS. Make sure to test by opening an app or website. If resolution fails, recheck the addresses and retry. If your TV won't accept manual DNS, change DNS at the router. Log into the router's admin, go to WAN or DHCP settings, and enter the DNS addresses so every device inherits them. Once set, reboot both router and TV to clear caches and force a new network lease. Verify success by opening a streaming app or running a quick domain test. If something goes wrong, revert to the previous DNS, confirm there are no typos, or try a known public DNS such as one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.